Welcome to another episode of Technica Media. In this video, we will take you to the Mckinley West in Fort Bonifacio Taguig. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the Philippines and like this video as well. If you want to watch our videos about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. The video starts now. Mckinley West is another business district sprawling right in the heart of Fort Bonifacio. Located at the south of BGC and on the west side of Mckinley Hill, it is right at the Lawton Avenue in Fort Bonifacio Taguig. The 34.5 hectare property is being developed by Megaworld Corporation. It is poised to have an exclusive subdivision which caters to the upscale market, plus a business and residential district as well. Mckinley West is a favorite venue of sports-related events like fun runs, bike races, and motor racing. On the time we visited, the township is hosting the 2008 Color Manila Run. If you want to watch our video about Makati City, click on the link above. Some building properties has opened its doors already, but as you can see, there are still a lot of developments going on. And I'm excited to see the developments in the future. The township is located in a hilly area where the roads has inclines. It is good for exercise for people that live and work there. To see more about the beauty of the Philippines, get a copy of The Philippines: A Visual Journey by Elizabeth Reyes. Click the description below to learn more. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.